Let's look at the subsequent part. You're asked to find the values of cosine theta and cosine beta. I think that's pretty okay, cosine theta. So you have the direction and you have the normal here. So the normal of the plane, I'm not sure where is it pointing, but because this has to be like, this is 1, 1, 1, right? Maybe it's pointing upwards or downwards. I don't know. But they are acute, so I don't really need to worry about it. What I need to do is actually cosine theta would just be d dot with n. They have the same normal, right? So over mod d mod n, and because they're acute, I'm just going to mod it. That's about it. So take the direction of the line, which is -2, -3, -6. So this will be -2, -3, -6 dot with the normal of the plane, which is actually 1, 1, 1. And this will just be square root 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square over 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. That's about it. I think there's nothing like really fancy here. Yeah. So this would just be 4 plus 9 plus 36, which is 49. This will be root 3. Okay, 7 times root 3, 6, 8, 11. So it's 11 over 7 root 3. They want the value of cosine theta. We leave it like that, or you could just rationalize the denominator if you want to. Multiply with 3, root 3, and you get the answer. Cosine theta is equals to 21 root 3. Okay, nothing special there. Then cosine beta, do the same thing. This is alright. This is pretty interesting. So cosine beta will be d dot n over cosine beta. Let me think. Cosine beta. Oh, cosine beta, we need to find RQ. Interesting. Okay. Cosine, we need to find RQ. Beta is over here. I'm sorry, I thought beta. So beta is RQ. So cosine beta, instead of dn, we just cosine beta would just be RQ dot with n mod RQ mod n. Okay, so we just need to find RQ. Just find RQ by finding, so this is RQ. Just take Q minus R. Q is actually 8 over 11, 1 over 11, 2 over 11 minus OR, which is this ugly looking thing here. Yeah, I need to get my physical calculator. I just can't use my normal calculator to work it out. Yeah. Okay, let me hold on. So we have 8 plus 37, which is actually 45 over 11. That will be 40 over 11. Just add it up, and this will be 2, which is actually 25 over 11. Okay. So RQ is actually, because you just need a direction vector, I could actually just simplify it to 45 over 40 over 25 first, and I could just divide by 5, I guess. 45 divided by 5, 9. 40 divided by 5 will be 8, and this will be 5. Okay, so actually I could just use 985. So this will be 985. It really, it is the same, so I'm just going to use 9 square plus 8 square plus 5 square, square 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. So the top will be 9 plus 8 plus 5 modulus 9 square plus 8 square plus 5 square. 170 times root 3. 9 plus 8 plus 5, which is 22. 170 times 3, which is 510. That's a big number. Okay, 510. Could it be divided by 4? No, I think it's just, can you leave it like that? Okay, so this is cosine theta. So obviously, if you want to rationalize it, you could just rationalize it. This will be 22 with 510. Will be 11 over 255 root 510. So this is how we do this question here proficiently. But they never ask for exact value. I guess you can just leave it in 3SF. Okay.